Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our esteemed channel, where we provide the latest and most remarkable insights from the automotive industry. Today, we have the privilege of presenting an exclusive first glimpse at the highly anticipated 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid. Brace yourselves, as the long-standing reign of the RAV4 and CR-V hybrids might be facing a formidable challenger. Before we proceed, we kindly request you to consider subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell, ensuring that you never miss any of our riveting automotive updates. Without further ado, let us delve into this groundbreaking revelation. Introducing the 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid, an embodiment of sleek sophistication and modern design. This remarkable SUV commands attention with its refined aesthetic, featuring a captivating front grille, meticulously crafted LED headlights, and a gracefully contoured roofline that exudes elegance. Beyond its alluring appearance, this exceptional vehicle is built upon Subaru's renowned global platform, delivering unparalleled rigidity, safety, and comfort for an extraordinary driving experience. Stepping inside the 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid, you're immediately greeted by a harmonious blend of comfort, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. The spacious and thoughtfully designed interior offers a welcoming sanctuary for both drivers and passengers alike. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship elevate the ambience, creating an environment that exudes refinement and modernity. Now, let's talk tech. The Forester Hybrid is equipped with a state-of-the-art 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard for a sleek and futuristic look. This intuitive interface provides access to a myriad of features, including navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're embarking on a road trip or simply navigating your daily commute, the Forester Hybrid's tech-savvy interior ensures a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. But that's not all. Safety and convenience are paramount in the 2025 Forester Hybrid, thanks to Subaru's advanced driver assist technologies. The inclusion of Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system offers a suite of features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision braking, providing peace of mind and enhancing overall safety for you and your loved ones. Get ready to experience the power and excitement of the 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid. This stunning SUV is not your average ride. It's packed with a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a total output of 148 horsepower. But don't let that number fool you. The Forester Hybrid's all-wheel drive system ensures outstanding traction and control, making every drive an adventure. Now, let's compare it to its competitors. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers an impressive 219 horsepower, while the Honda CR-V Hybrid brings 212 horsepower to the table. But here's the twist. The Forester Hybrid may have a lower power output, but it blows them away with its exceptional driving range of over 500 miles, ready to conquer any terrain, whether it's the city streets or rugged off-road paths. The 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid is not just a vehicle. It's a practical and thrilling companion for your urban escapades and wild road trips. So buckle up and get ready to embrace the power of the Forester Hybrid. The 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid aims to rival the CR-V and RAV4 hybrids. It has a starting price of around $35,000, a driving range exceeding 500 miles, and a 2.5 liters flat-4 engine. The release date is set for spring 2024, with pricing similar to the current model. Competitors include the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid.